Hey, Jacob here from ABC Window Supply. Today, we are going to be talking about residential rooftop safety. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is find a suitable anchor. A suitable anchor is one that can hold at least 5,000 pounds. The easiest possible anchor would be if there's already something strong to attach to on top of the roof. If that's the case, such as a chimney stack, for example, an easy way to anchor to it is to have an anchor strap. Anchor strap simply wraps around the item that you need to anchor to, and then you're going to have a carabiner ready to go. Unfortunately, a lot of times there is not going to be a suitable anchor on the rooftop, or it's not going to be in the right place for where you're working. In that case, a common way that people get an anchor is by throwing a rope over the building and attaching it to something strong enough on the ground. The most common strong item you'll find on the ground would be a tree, for example. Now, if you've got a slanted roof and you've attached to a tree on the south side of the property, you can now use the rope to be an anchor for yourself when you are on the opposite side, the north side of the property. Now remember, if you've ran a rope over the roof and you're working on the opposite side from where you've anchored to, the sides of the roof are still a potential spot that you could fall off of. Now, if you're on a property that doesn't have trees nearby or anything else suitable to anchor to on the ground, a great solution for that is the Contra hitch plate. This fits into the standard hitch plate on most trucks and then can be used as that anchor on the ground in the same way that we just described. So, that's a few of the most common ways that people are able to create anchors for when they're on residential rooftops. Check out our other video where we're going to discuss some ways that you attach rope grabs and descenders to that rope that you've just put in place. And as always, thanks for watching.